Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that string, right? Now in this video, I want to discuss about some of the string method. So it will be very important. Like first of all, I have already discussed about that one of the method as a CartArt. So with this CartArt, we get a specific some of the character, right? And like better I want to show you again. Like I name it as a message. I take one of the variable as a message, and here I want to do in our single quote. Into the single quote I want to pass as a hi, hi, my name is Ariyan. Okay, I name it hi, my name is Ariyan. So from here, if you want to get that out, like better I want to do, I want to remove everything. Okay, remove everything, and here I copy. That will be as a message, right? If you click as a save all, now that should be display our message. Hi, my name is Ariyan, right? So from here, first of all, our first method I want to discuss about, that is the CartArt. Okay, I have already discussed about that things with you. That is a message. Into this message area, if you want to get a specific some of the number character, you can get it. Like from here, I want to get as a this second one. Okay, that is the second one means what? That means that will be as a first as a 0, and then the 1, and then that is a 2. Right? So if you want to get it with the CartArt, that means the cart. Okay, there is a CartArt, and here I want to make it as a 2. Now that will be print which one? That will be print our this one, second one, right? So 0, 1, 1, and then there is a 2. If you now click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh, and here you can see it's now actually getting out this space, right? So that is our 0, and that is the 1, and that is the 2. That's my mistake. So that will be obviously as a 0 and then the 1. That means if you make it as a 1, then that is our first index as a 0, and then that is our 2, right? Now if you click as a save all, I make it as a save all again. Now click as a refresh. Now you can see it's not perfectly get our specific second character, right? That is a I. Great. And now there is another method. If you want to make our all that string value as a uppercase, you can do that work. If you want to make it as a lowercase, you can also do that work. So they have some of the another method. Better I want to paste it. Like there is a message, and into this message area, after that I want to declare one of the method as a toUpperCase. Okay, there is a toUpperCase method. So if you run this toUpperCase method, then automatically our this string value will be uppercase. That means all that letter will be as a capital letter. If you now click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now perfectly as a uppercase. Right, that is a totally uppercase. Great. And also I want to call our another method as a 2, and then the lowercase. You can see that is actually the 2 lowercase one of the method. So if you want to run this method, then our here they have also one of the capital character, right? That is another capital character. So all that our total string value, this will be as a lowercase. So make that sure, friend, you remember that part, because that will be needed as a 2 uppercase, the 2 lowercase. We will use it in our project. Now click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see our total character is now become lowercase. Okay, friend. I hope it's very much clear to you. Now I want to discuss about some of the string finder. Like here I want to do, like in our this message, that means in our string value, here they have one of the name as a Ariyan. So here I want to check it is in our this value there have any Ariyan character or not. Okay, if you want to find out this part, then you can find out it. There is another method as include. Okay, there is an include method. With the includes method, here I want to pass our name. Which name you want to search for? I want to search for with this Ariyan. So if he perfectly get this name, then it will be return one of the true value. If you now click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now perfectly written as a true. That means in our this string value area, they have one of the character word as a Ariyan. That means that is appropriate, right? If you want to make it as another name, like as a Kazi, so Kazi is not accessible in here. That means in our string value area, now that should be displayed as a false. If you now refresh, now you can see it's now displayed as a false. Great. And also here, if you want to check it, like our first, okay, that is our first letter is started with a specific some of the string and name or not. If you want to check it, you can also check it. Like I copy it, and then I paste it. So now there is another method as is start. Okay, that is start with. So here there is another method as start with method. So now with this start with method, I want to check it. Our first is started with which one? I want to check it first of all high. So if in our total string value, if first of all it should be checked it's started with high or not. So if it's started with high, then that will be returned as a true, rather than that will be returned as a false. If you now click as a better, I want to make it as a note out. Okay, make it as a note out. Now click as a save all. Now that should be displayed as a true. Click as a refresh. You can see it's not successfully done. That means it's true because this started with our this character as a high, right? If you want to make it as a different one, now if you click as a save all, now that is not appropriate. It should be displayed as a false. Okay, you can see it's not displayed as a false. Great. And also there is another one, start with and the end with. You can also find out our end data. Like I will call our this method, that is the and. Okay, ends with. So with this ends with, I want to check it, that is it's end with Ariyan or not. So if it's end with the Ariyan, then it should be displayed as a true, rather than that will be displayed as a false. You can see it's not displayed as a true. And if you want to make it as a different name, so that is not exist, now click as a save all. Now that should be displayed as a false. Okay friend, simply understand or simply remember all that our method name as a to uppercase, to lowercase, include, start with and the end with. In our next video, I'm going to discuss about another string method. I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.